How are you? Where is the other one? When is your exam? Yeah. Listen. Circle that all of you did the MCQ and all. No. Why? You have the circle in the exam? No. You should be there. When is the motor? When is your exam? 28. One day one exam. Practice done? Started? No. Good quadratic only done. How many more to do? Surface area also there. You done now? We have done. Acha, listen. These three chotis, sorry girls, come this side. Come this side. Visha, come this side. Arey, come this side, no. This side is empty, no. Hey. Yeah. Arey, who passed na? Arey, sit down, pass na. Okay. Yeah. Circle homework exercise. Is there anyone done? Yes. Homework exercise done. All answers got. Doubts, difficulties. Anyone got? Only Twisha does the work. Others know everything. MCQs all of you done? All answers got? There are some difficult questions. All of you got the answers? Really? Exam started? When? What paper? Maths is over. That is when the strike is not come. How was your maths paper? What is that? Huh? You have the paper. What is the problem? You completed the paper? Did you complete the paper? But good. You did not this one. I have it down. What do you want to do? One by one. Similarly.
I proved this.
So then what
I
is the
proved
problem?
this and this and I did this and this. After that, what to do?
How we prove this and this similar? I prove this and this similar. So lot of similarities, no, there is no one by
I did not understand.
full question.
I did not understand the case. When I asked last,
Quadratic equation, no?
I know that's quadratic.
So then make the quadratic equation, no? Yeah. This is textbook question, my dear. Pythagoras theorem. A is the diameter. So PA minus PB equal to 7. This we are done. I'll show you the volume question. Read loudly. Who is that?
Corporation of the second part, plants. First thing, circular part. We have to exercise point P on the boundary of circular part from time to time.
So this is 13 centimeter. Ah.
This of distance of this 7.
So
PV minus PA equals to 7.
So you take let the PV minus PA is equal to 7 meter you take now. So one you take X. The other one will be 7 plus X. This I am showing you the textbook. Same question in quadratic equation we have done. Diametrically opposite point. Pythagoras theorem apply. PA square plus PB square equal to AB square. 7 plus X all square plus X square is equal to 169. Mom will do it. 49 plus 49 plus 14x plus x square is equal to 169. 2x square plus 14x minus 120 equal to 0. X square plus 7x minus 60 equal to 0. 12 and 5. X equal to 12. 10 plus x equal to 12. Y is equal to 7. X is equal to 12. That's all. What is the one? Without saying, I can tell that. Because we are done this and we like the only one I'll show the same question. Because they are in the question. We are done this in the class. P is a point on the circumference of a circle where AB. Okay, this one the same question there. What are the questions? Shall I show? Compare it with the P is the point. Circumference we are done. PA minus PB equal to. Yes. Now read this question. Fourth question. Figure out this one. Very good. Listen, this way questions will be the similar one. Okay. What to do? This time now you take 1 by OA, 1 by OB. So you can take these triangles similar. OC is where? So then these are similar too. Then correspondingly common tree take it now. I'll show you this one correspondingly. Similarity. So ma'am told confusing in ma'am will give you 1 mark. And then this is again they are given the 2 years back. Look here. Hey, hello. Stop talking and listen. Different schools are there when the exams are over. Take the question paper and solve yourself. Who is not giving? Take this one. Take the question and solve it. Okay. Hello. Not in front of me. Later you take it. That time we forget. In front of me, give. After that, forget. Take it and solve. Then you will come to know what are the difficulties. Okay. Done, Sahib. Okay, tell what is the doubt. Read. This only you tell now. Read from where this question. Circle exercise. Homework exercise question number 3. Circle homework exercise 9.3. 10.3. 10.2 homework exercise question number 3. Okay, read. After AB, BC, I did not hear anything. Trisha, you did not eat anything in come? Read loudly now. Read what you mean.
ABC is the right triangle at B.
Hello, shh. Amrita, be quiet. Right triangle at B. Then
BC equals to 6 centimeter.
this is BC.
BC equals to 6 centimeter. AB equals to 8 centimeter. Find the radius of its circle. Make BD equals to R and angle ABC equals to 90.
Look here. This one now. You can do two different ways. One method. This is what P, Q, R. Okay. What is this figure? Do you know? Square. We have done lot of times. You know how to draw who's the square. Then is one color which doesn't look like a square. Okay. So this is square now. Okay now? No. This is R, these are. Therefore this is equal to how much? 6 minus R. Yes or no?
Yes.
Okay, this is R. Therefore this is 8 minus R. This is 6 minus R. 6 minus R. 8 minus R. 8 minus R. Okay. This is how much? 8. This one.
6.
Okay. This is equal to 10. Your Pythagoras says. Okay. Sum of these two equal to 10 now. Yes or no? So what is it? 8 minus R plus 6 minus R is equal to 10. R is equal to 2. Done?
Yes.
One understood or not? If you want another method, look, if I join this one, this also is easy. Look, area of triangle AOB half into 8 into R. Area of triangle BOC half into 6 into R. Area of triangle AOC half into 10 into R. Add all the three. That is equal to how much area of the triangle ABC. What is area of the triangle ABC? Half into 8 into 6. Understood? You will get half 8R plus half 6R plus half 10R is equal to half 6 into 8. Half of cancel. Cancel. Okay. Yes or no? 28. Okay now? That is another way. 2 is enough now? This one, this is similar way we have done, but in that case, we could not get this triangle, then you applied Heron formula. You remembering? That is a lengthy one called Heron formula, root came squaring both sides and all. Okay, Trisha, name. Mali, Rucha. How are you? Saisha, Naisha. Yeah. Yes. More question. These 2-3 girls only are down. Boys not out now. Boys are smart. Yeah, it's smart. 11 marks out of 10. 12. 11.5. Okay. Tell.
From a point P to tangents PA and BP are drawn to a circle with center O. If OP is equal to the diameter of the circle, so that if triangle ABC is equilateral.
Two tangents PA and PB are drawn. Okay. Then, who is that? Who's that one? Take it out. Give that one. Stand up. One bottle will be there, then we put it. Yeah, look here. OP is the diameter of the circle. So this is R. This is equal to R. Then what will be OP? 2R. Yes or no? OP is the diameter of the circle, that is equal to 2R. This much is clear? Okay. Who's talking there? Listen, these are important types of questions. This is R, this is 2R. Okay, this much is clear. What we need to prove? Triangle PAB is equilateral. What do you mean by equilateral? All sides are equal or angles are 60 degree. Okay, for proving this one. Oh, brothers, You know? So then listen. What is the angle POW? POM? 90 degree, na? Okay. Is a right triangle. If I take this as theta, is which side? Opposite. Hypotenuse. Opposites are hypotenuse. Tan. Sine. Sine theta is equal to OA upon OP. That is sine theta is equal to R upon 2R, which is equal to 1 by 2. 1 by 2 stands for sine 30. Therefore, sine theta is equal to sine 30. Theta is equal to how much? 30 degree. So this is 30 means this part also will come as same 30, na? Yes. Therefore, full is 60. That means you for what? PA and PB are equal. Therefore, these two angles will be equal to x. Okay? X plus 60 is equal to 180. 2x equal to 120. X equal to 60. 60. So, triangle is equilateral. Understood or not? Okay? There's another way, that's a long way. This is easier way. Are you followed? Should I explain again? Explanation required. With Lucha. Riti, tomorrow Hindi. Prepared now. Riti is also from your school only, no? When is your exam starting? Tomorrow. Where is Yuvraj? Yuvraj may. Viraj is there. Viraj. Viraj. You go. Viraj. No, Yuvraj. You don't. Viraj. You and we don't Raj. You, we don't Raj. You, we are Raj. Okay. This time, let's go to you. And I'm telling you, there is a fellow, no, that Machi people are there, no, one thing. He is named it. Okay. Okay. First, I will be the buyer for you. Okay. Fine. So, done. Over. Done. Completed. Any other problem? No. Listen. So, little more properties I have to explain with the circle. That is why I asked you MCQs you all are done or not. There are some important MCQs where there I don't know how many of you are done or not. Because other target line 3-4 people asked. Yes? Yeah. When you draw, listen. If you draw two circles, how many different ways two circles can be drawn? Ring and L down simply jump to the computer. One set two, one set different, one set three. First question. Two different circles, how many different ways can be drawn? And now for us now. Is there anyone study infinity? Achha, question is not clear. When you draw two different circles, how many different ways we can? How many different ways you can do? Okay, listen. Not followed means let's say. This is one circle. Yes. This is another circle. Yes. So these are two different circles. Yes. What are these two circles? One circle is inside the other circle. They are not. These are not concentric. Concentric means what? One circle is inside the other one. Okay. Now, if another way. Another way. This also. Two circles can be drawn. Okay. One is outside the other circle. They don't meet. So how many ways you got? Two ways. How many ways? Third way. This is what? Both the circles touch at one point internally. Inside, no? Okay. Another way. Externally. Okay. They touch externally. Yes or no? So how many ways you got?
Four.
Four. The same thing we did in the 9th standard. If I call them, they will show. Because I taught them yesterday. Circles intersect. Intersected how many points? 2 points. The circle intersected how many points? 0. No points. 1 internally. 1 externally. Okay. Or understood or not? Okay. This page is clear. Now listen. This is the one 9th standard you study. Okay. These are the different ways. 2 different circles are done. Now another one is coinciding. That is not. That is same circle. Okay. Now, do you know what is the meaning of common tangent? Word itself is clear now. Common tangent means what? Tangent which is common to both the circles. Can you draw any common tangent to this circle?
No.
You cannot draw. If I draw a tangent, it will not meet. If I draw a tangent to the inner circle, the other it is secant to the other circle. So you cannot draw common tangent. Okay. Now, if I consider this one, can you draw? There is a common tangent. Okay, this is a common tangent. Let's say it is PV. Then how many common tangents? One common tangent. Can you draw any other common tangent?
No.
Okay, if I consider this one, can you draw a common tangent?
Yes.
How many? Let's see.
1,
2, 3. 3 common tangents you draw. Yes or no? Okay. Huh? अरे these are rough figure ना. You make it अच्छा फिर ठीक है. If it is this one, 2, 1 over here. जादू. Second one, 2 common tangents drawn. Okay now, look, no common tangent. 1, 2, 3. Let's see here. 1, 2. What is this one? Okay. How many drawn?
2, 3, 4.
How many common tangents are drawn? 4 common tangents are drawn. Understood? Are you followed? Try to understand this one. Sometimes in the form of MCQs you can get how many common tangents or this is. Okay, is it clear? Now, this one which is not main, I am coming to the properties are coming. 1. From this point, okay, from any point on this tangent, I can draw tangent to both the circles. Okay, A, B. Okay, then let's say Q. What is the relation between the tangents? All of them are equal now.
Yes.
Sometimes you will get prove that QA is equal to QB. From a point on the common tangent, tangents are drawn to the 2 circles. Prove the tangents are equal. That is the way question will come. They will not give the figure. Figure means it's very simple. QA is equal to QB, QB equal to QP. Therefore, these two are equal. So, what is the question? When 2 circles touch internally from the common point on the common tangent, tangents are drawn to the 2 circles. Prove that. Hello, that book was with you. That is your book only now. Actually, when you at home, once in a while open and see. Now you listen over here. Okay. So these are the tangents are equal in length. Is it clear? Okay. Next, another one. These all are different questions I am giving. You will have ha now. Okay, try to understand. Here, C is the midpoint of AB. Prove. Very simple. CP is equal to CP equal to. Therefore, AC is equal to CBC. Yes or no? Are you followed? CP and ACA are equal. CP and CB are equal. Therefore, AC and CB are equal. Therefore, C is the midpoint of AB. Are you followed? Is another question we can go. Okay, when 2 circles touch each other externally, prove that the common tangent through the point of contact bisect the other common tangent. bisecting C is the midpoint. Understood or not? These all questions are there. These questions were there one of the MCQ. That's it. Now, this also is clear. Another one. We see that your pods are joining. Okay. Angle triangle APB. Have we seen?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Do you know what is angle APB? That will be you have to prove it is a 90-degree. Questions will come. Prove that APB is 90-degree. Who can tell? 30 seconds. 29. Prove that angle APB is equal to how much? 90. 5 seconds. Time over. Okay. Additional time. None. So that's 9. Look, CA and CP are equal. Therefore, these two angles are equal means x and x. CP and CB are equal. These two angles are equal to y and y. Yes or no? Look at this triangle APB. You know ASP?
Yes.
Okay. What is ASP?
Property.
Angles of property apply. X plus y is equal to how much? 180 na. 2x plus 2y is equal to 180. X plus y is equal to 90. What is x plus y? APB. Okay, understood. This much is clear. I'm going beyond that. These all properties. At least 5 to 6 questions we discussed now. Done. Next part. Oh, actually you are waiting for me. Okay. Paltu. Okay. How are you? No weakness, no? Sure, no? Yeah. Now, look here. All okay now? Sure. Erase this one. Okay. Another part I am going to tell. Okay. Before that, going to that one more. These are common tangents. This is not common tangent. Okay, these are common tangents. Common tangents are of these two varieties. One is called direct common tangent. Second one is called transverse. These two words are not very important for you, but they will be later. Direct common tangent and transverse common tangent. I am going to explain what is direct common tangent and transverse. Direct common tangent means if the circles are on the same side of the tangent. Can you show any direct common tangent? This one. See, this is a direct common tangent. See, both the circles are on the same side. Is it direct common tangent?
No.
No. Why both the circles are on the same side? No. Is it direct common tangent? Yes. Is it direct common? No. They are on the opposite side. If the circles are on the opposite side, it is called transverse common tangent. Are you followed? Direct common tangent, transverse common tangent. Okay. This is which type of tangent? Direct. This one? Opposite side, no. Direct. Okay. The property is this one. Property means direct common tangents are equal. Means AB will be equal to PQ. How? Prove. Where said happening? If tell you're showing this. Tell, don't worry. Mistake also no problem.
Sir, we will draw that
Tangent. Okay.
So AC will be equal to
AC is equal to CP.
CP.
Okay, CR.
CR.
Okay,
And then BP is equals to
CR, BR, CR. Okay.
similarly that P.
Then, so what? You will get, therefore, what will you get? What will you get? You will get this and this are equal, this and this are equal. How will you prove AB equal to PQ? If this is 5, this is 5. This is 3, this is 3. Means 5 plus 5 is equal to 3 plus 3 equal. Then how will you? Hello. Hi. May I try? May I tell?
If we do triangle,
Triangle, which triangle?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Construction.
Construction, which triangle? Tell now.
We join the point of
I tell now point of contact. This one. P or R. Okay. I'll give the name also. Okay. Which triangle? Tell the name of the triangle.
ARB.
ARB and PRQ.
Yes.
They are congruent.
We also construct the tangent.
Then
Then we prove the triangle similar.
similar sides equal also. In similarity, sides are proportional. No? Yes. No. Look here. Congruent. How do you prove? Okay. Now look. Enough. Hello. Okay. All right. Have you seen C? Yes or no?
Yes.
CQ is equal to
CBC.
CP. Okay. Later down till now. Okay. CP is equal to CA. Subtract. CP is equal to CA. CQ is equal to CB. Subtract. CP minus CQ is equal to CA minus CB. Therefore, AB equal to BQ. Understood or not?
Yes.
Okay. Sometimes it's very simple. That way. See, this way you have to next time parallel means you can get it. If the radii are equal means then it will be parallel and rectangle will come. Because they are parallel, no? Radii are equal means it will not meet, no? Then if by joining diameter, rectangle will come opposite side. Okay, same way these two will be equal. Next, even this one also, you can indirect common tangents also equal. Is it clear? Okay, direct, these all parts are clear. Okay, sure. Done? These all properties are clear. Now, next one. Look. Let's say this is O is the center of the circle. Let's say B is the center of the second circle. You will see that O, B, this is O, B and P. All three are collinear. Yes or no? This question can come in the proof in the exam. Prove that O, B, P are collinear. The length may not, this may come, this can come as P, A, B equal to PQ. Hello, brother. What brother?
Good morning.
Okay, good morning. Okay. Housework he does now. Nothing. One slap you give now. If you can't, I'll give. Yeah. Okay. Chalo. Did you hear? Others are watching what is it? Prove that P, O, B are collinear. Complete. Yes, complete. Yes, complete is not. Yes, complete. Yes, complete. Simple.
Sir, there is only one perpendicular.
One perpendicular. Very good. So join OP. OP will be perpendicular to. OP will be perpendicular to PQ. And join which one? BP. BP also will be perpendicular to. That means through P, you will got BP and OP are perpendicular. Through a point, how many perpendiculars can be drawn? One. So these 3 points are holding. Yeah. Understood. Okay. Very good. Complete. Yes, complete. Yes. Yes, right. Now, same way. Okay. Same way here also you'll get. Let's say this is O. Okay. C. O, C is there. Okay. C. Okay. Absolutely. Okay. This also you'll get. These 3 points are also collinear. Which one? O or C are collinear. How do you get? OR is so joined. So what do you get? OR is perpendicular to this one. xy. And CR also is perpendicular to xy. Then how will you prove collinear? How will you prove they are collinear? Very good. What a very good. Okay, angle ORY plus angle CRY is equal to 180, 90 plus 90. Therefore, they are linear pair angle, therefore, they are collinear. Understood or not? Okay, that also followed. What is the condition? When two circles touch internally or externally, their centers and the point of contact are collinear. The center and the point of contact are collinear. What is length of OB? Ah. What is the length of OB?
B minus.
Difference of the radius. No, bigger circle minus smaller circle. What is the length of OC? Sum of the radius. Yes or no? So this means property remember. Okay, lot of properties I have given, out of which last two things you write. Right. First is common tangents means we follow. What is a common tangent? Tangents which are common to both the circles. Okay, or more than same circle. Okay, right. First, property 1. If two circles touch internally or externally, if two circles touch internally or externally, their centers and the point of contact, are what? Collinear. Centers and point of contact are collinear. Understood? Written. Next, property 2. This property again, we next chapter we are going to apply. That's why I am making to write. When two circles touch externally, distance between the centers. When two circles touch externally, distance between centers is equal to sum of radii. Distance between centers, center of the first circle and second circle. Distance between the centers is equal to what? Sum of the radii. Next, when two circles touch internally, right probably. When two circles touch internally, distance between centers is equal to difference of radii. Difference of radii. Okay. Difference of radii. Done. Okay. Here comes to the end of the circle chapter. Have you seen after circle chapter there are around 15 pages of additional questions are there. Have you seen? Just see, open the book. One fellow, what did you open? Count and see. Here only. Yeah. Understood? Yeah. So here comes to the end of the show of the circle. Okay. Now, listen here. This chapter circle, if you ask me, means I could have completed in one lecture. Because how many theorems? 2 theorems only in this chapter. 10th standard, if I teach means I have to teach only 2 things. What are the 2 things? One is tangent is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. Then second one is tangents drawn from the external point are equal in length. These are the two things you studied. Over they studied what do you mean by tangent, length of the tangent. With the questions, but with that one you have a lot of. That is why see this one. You must see this chapter coming. Lot of additional things are there. Okay, so any question, anyway it can come. That is why you have to practice. Okay, so practice well. That you have to be careful. Over. So we have reached into the last chapter. What is the next chapter? Over now, sir.
Areas related to circle.
The last chapter is talking. Okay, right. Chapter heading, right. Chapter number. Any other circle related, any doubts or difficulties? Please practice. Other than Ryan, Sanford, all of you have the exams, I think.
Yes.
No. All other schools got, other than Ryan, Sanford is in October. You got exam in October. October is okay. Next one. It is within today's 9 days, 18, after a month. So you have a lot of chapters now. Maybe full syllabus.
Yes.
Okay, so prepare. Others, the you people also immediately in the October, November prelims will be there. No, November prelims, some of the schools. If not December, okay. So we start preparing very well. Okay. Yeah. Chalo. Done. So chapter heading is written areas related to circles. Tension है? No tension. Will you return the chapter heading? Okay. Area related to circle. I think you make it circle. Yeah. All of you, so written. You must have seen there is a list in the chapter itself. Front page I have seen now. A list of formula is there now. Okay, that are the 9's previous class formula. Okay, have you seen them? I will give it the time for you people to all of you to read. Later you can read. Close the book. Now, doing Kumar, which one? Yeah. Yeah. Listen. This chapter mainly we are going to study about circle. It's part of the circles. Parts of the circle means one will study semicircle. What is semicircle? All of you know. Half the circle. Then you study about sector. Then you will study about the segment. Then combination of the figures you will study. Okay, these are the things you study. This is the mensuration part. Already surface area and volume we have done. All of you know it.
Yes.
Yes or no? Surface area and volume. If I give one question, all of you can do?
Yes.
Yes. Who said one? Who said this man said no? Why? Try. Yeah. So circle. Before doing the circle and all, before that you should know the basic things. Some of the things sometimes you will apply. Triangle. Area of the triangle, all of you know? What's the area of the triangle? Half base into height. Base and height means what is base? What is height? Base and height is area. Array, what is base? What is height? Height is height, base is base. Okay. What is the base and what is the height? One density is called base. Very good. Base means the side of the triangle. Into particular to which the height is being drawn. Okay. If I draw height is drawn to this side, we consider this as the base. If I draw the height this way, then it is the QR is the base and the height. Okay. Area of the triangle, half base into height. What do you mean by area? The region covered in the closed figure. Okay. Unit of area? Square units. Meter square, centimeter square and all. What do you mean by perimeter? Sum of the outer boundary. Okay. What is the unit of perimeter? Centimeter, meter, any units is given. Okay now. So in the triangle, so area of the triangle is equal to half base into height. Around formula, all of you know it. Yes. Tell. Yes, no formula.
Root S bracket S minus A into S minus B.
Into S minus C. What is S? Semi-perimeter, A plus B plus C by 2, where A, B, C are the sides of the triangle. Okay, that is the Heron formula is coming when the sides are given. Right triangle, what is the area? Half into base into height. Which are what are base and height? Huh? Perpendicular is the height, other one is the base. In a right triangle, what is the base and height? They are the sides other than hypotenuse. Yes or no? If I take this one, this is base and one bottle is there. 10. Whose is that bottle? I will take that bottle. Father is here. Huh? Huh? I'll take that bottle and I'll not give you back. Okay. You are the one always bring a water boy. Yeah. Okay. So we went for Visarjan also, no water dispute. Okay. So area of the right triangle. Next area of the isosceles triangle. What is isosceles triangle? Two sides are equal. What do you mean by base angles? Base angles. Equal angles are called the base angles. Okay. What do you mean by base of an isosceles triangle?
The sides are other than equal.
Unequal side is called the base. Okay. Do you know unequal angle is called? There is a name. Unequal angle for an isosceles triangle. Two angles are equal now. Third angle is not equal now. That angle is called unequal. Vertical angle. Okay. Isosceles triangles, base means unequal side and vertical angle means the opposite angle, which is a vertical angle. Okay. If it is an isosceles triangle, if the triangle is isosceles, let's say these two are equal. What is the vertical angle? A. So then, if the property is, if I draw the perpendicular, then it will bisect the opposite side. You can prove these two triangles are congruent by RHS. Therefore, BP and CP are equal. That is only for isosceles triangle. Okay. Now, equilateral triangle. All sides equal. Area.
Root 3.
Remember, root 3 upon 4 a square. A is the equal side. Okay. What is the perimeter of equilateral triangle? 3A. A plus A plus A, 3A. Area of equilateral triangle, keep in mind. Okay. Now, next question. Mr. Arnav, stand up. How are you? Okay, rectangle, do you know? What is the area of a rectangle? Huh? Others doesn't know, that's why. L into B, perimeter.
2L plus B.
2 times L plus B, square. Area.
4S.
4S.
Sorry, 4.
4 A square. 4A square. 4A square. How 4A square is coming? Only a square, na? Or A square. What is the perimeter? 4S. 4S. Okay. What is the difference between rectangle and the square?
In square, all the sides are equal, and in rectangle,
Opposite sides are equal. Sit down. Rectangle, do you know? Yes or no? Okay. Doesn't know. Okay. Then trapezium, do you know? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Stand there. What's the trapezium? Say, no. Drawing now. Say, tell me now. Who tell? Trapezium.
One pair of sides.
One pair of opposite sides are parallel. What is the area of a trapezium? Half into. Very good. Diagonal.
Some parallel sides.
Some of the, this is the third time we are in the class. Last time also is that thing. Okay. And this one we run a swimming pool. Half into A plus B times H, where A and B are the parallel side, and H is the distance between them. Understood or not? Or is it half into sum of the parallel sides into distance between them? A plus B into H. Sit down. That is called trapezium. There is a special type of trapezium, you know.
Yes.
What is isosceles trapezium? What is isosceles trapezium?
Unequal sides.
Unequal sides. Non-parallel sides are equal. In an isosceles trapezium, the base angles are equal. Diagonals are equal. Okay, that's all. Next, parallelogram. What about parallelogram? What is it? Huh. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. Hello? Ah, very nice. Chalke. Chalke and. Okay. Area of the parallelogram is equal to base into height. And what is perimeter? 2 times A plus B. Opposite sides are equal. Trisha. Space is not there for Trisha.
Load is.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Then rhombus. You know what's a rhombus? What's a rhombus? Tell them. I don't know. Arey, what is it? Rhombus. All sides are equal. Diagonals. Perpendicular bisectors. What's the area of the rhombus? 1 by 2 into d1 into d2. Half into product of diagonals. Basic formula, remember. Sometimes it's we need to use it. Sit down. Okay. This much. Okay. Circle. You know what circle now? Okay, Aisha. What is the relation between radius and diameter? Two R is equal to D. What is D? Diameter is equal to twice the radius. Pakka. So radius is equal to R is equal to half diameter, 1 upon 2 diameter different. Thank you. What's the area of the circle? Wrong.
Pi r square. सही है.
What is the perimeter?
2 pi r.
What is the circumference?
R square.
R square. क्या पता? Okay. Circumference also is 2 pi r. Okay. Chalo, let's write this part. Okay. Right. By the way, you know what is a circular ring?
Yes.
What is it? Hollow circle. What is circular ring? Circular ring. Region between two concentric circles. Okay. Region between. Yeah. Right. Circle. Area related to circle, you know right. Circle. Area is equal to pi r square. Area is equal to pi r square. What happened? Complete. Where is his pen? Area is Area is equal to pi r square return. Perimeter. Perimeter is equal to 2 pi r or 2 pi r or pi d. 2 pi r or pi d. Circumference. Same 2 pi r. Don't write same 2 pi r, only 2 pi r. Don't write only also. Okay. Circumference equal to 2 pi r. Okay. Perimeter circumference is unit of area and this one. What is the value of pi?
22 by 7
Or 3. Okay, depends upon the question is given, you have to apply. Okay, all of you know that 22 by 7 and 3.14 are different. Okay, values will be different when you calculate. Okay, that is a circle. Next, semicircle. Semicircle. Area, half pi r square. Area is equal to half pi r square. Circumference, pi r plus pi r. Circumference, okay. Circumference is equal to pi r, half of 2 pi r, okay. Then perimeter, not pi r plus 2r. Perimeter is equal to pi r plus 2r. Understood? Now listen, 2r. 2r means d. Now, what is the difference between circumference and the perimeter? What is the difference between circumference and the perimeter? Circumference is the boundary, perimeter is not boundary. Circumference is the curve. Semicircle means the curve only is there. That is the circumference. In circle, that is same as the boundary. Some of the outer boundary is coming as a perimeter. That is a circumference plus diameter. Understood or not? Okay. So that is a semicircle. So next, after semicircle, next one, if your circle is divided into 4 equal parts, quadrant, QUAD. Quadrant of a circle means 1/4. Okay, area is equal to 1/4 pi r square. Circumference equal to 1/4 times 2 pi r. That is equal to pi r by 2. And perimeter pi r upon 2 plus 2r. Okay. Circular ring. Circular ring. What is the area?
Area of big circle.
Pi r square minus r square. Circular ring. Area is equal to pi times r square minus r square. What is its width? Width of the circular ring.
R minus
Capital R minus small r. Width is equal to capital R minus small r. Okay. Then outer circumference, inner circumference. Outer circumference means 2 pi capital R. Inner circumference 2 pi small r. Okay. This much is clear. Next, if I take a circle and rotate once. If I take a circle and rotate once, how much distance it travel?
same as the
Same as the circumference. Not followed. Followed or not? You take a circle and rotate once. No. I take one circle. This is circle now. Right? Imagine if it is this one. This is circle and rotate this way once. Then what is that? It's a circumference touches. Therefore, one distance is right. Distance covered by a circle in one revolution. Distance covered by a circle in one revolution. One revolution is equal to circumference. Revolution, rotation, all the same meaning. Okay. Is equal to circumference. Yes or no? A circle is
Rotation and revolution are different.
Now we think about that. What is the difference between rotation and revolution? Okay. Now. All right. Okay. Next. Do you know? Listen. What is the number of revolutions? How do you calculate number of revolutions? When comes to the to is pulled by a cycle. How many times its wheel rotated?
Distance upon
This total distance upon circumference. Alright. Number of revolutions is equal to. Number of revolutions is equal to. Or rotations equal to. The total distance upon circumference. Total distance upon circumference. These are the formula for your circle. Okay. Then later we will do this exercise. Okay. Time over. But MBPS is there?
कुछ बढ़ ही नहीं आया था मैं तो लेके दे रहे दोनों दे देता
Sure, they made a video.